Let's see this question. 20 men can finish a job in 15 days. In how many days 30 men can do the same job? Right? So if you see this, they are saying that there is some work that has to be done, and it is done in such a way that if 20 men have worked for 15 days, they are able to finish it. Now they are asking if 30 men, instead of 20 men, if 30 men work on the that project, how many days will it take them for them to complete? So assume that this is one group of people and that is another group of people. Whatever it is, the final work done has to be same. Therefore the effort that has to be given by both the groups have to be same. So what is the effort that is given by the first group? 20 men have worked for 15 days, right? Therefore it is equal to 300 men days. This is the effort that is given by the first group. And now they are saying that if the same work has to be done by another group of 30 men, then how many days are required? So now we understand that since the work is same, the effort that has to be given by the other group also should be same, right? Which means effort given by the other group is equal to, let us say this is effort E1. Now what is the effort given by the other group in order to finish the work? 30 people are working, therefore 30 men, and we don't know number of days they are working. Let us assume that the number of days is x days, right? Now on the other side it is 30x men days. Now since the same amount of work is accomplished by this group as well as this group, the efforts have to be same, which means effort given by the first group should be equal to the effort given by the second group. So what does it mean? 300 men days is equal to 300 into x men days. So what does it mean? Men days get cancelled. 30, right? 30x, which means x is 10 days. Okay, so this is how you are supposed to solve all such questions. But let's try to understand what is the meaning of 300 men days here. Now when I am saying that the effort required is 300 men days, it can be written in various ways. If I write it like this: 300 men, 1 day. It means that if 300 men work on this project, they will be able to finish it off in 1 day, right? If I write it other way, 1 man and 300 days. What does it mean? If 1 man works on this project, it requires 300 days for him to finish it off, right? Or I could also split it any way I want. Let me say I want to split in 15 and 10. 15 men and 20 days. So what does it mean? If 15 men work on the project, it requires 20 days, right? Or 20 men, 15 days. What does it mean? If 20 men work on this project, then it takes 15 days. That is what is given, right? Similarly, you could also split it as 30 men, 10 days. What does it mean? If 30 men are working, then it requires 10 days for them to finish it, right? So this is what is asked. This is what is asked. If 30 men are working, how many days does it take? 10 days. So how to solve it? Always try to find out the effort required in terms of number of people working on it into the time they are contributing in it. It could be either days or hours or months or years, right? So it is number of people into time they contribute, that is the effort. Now equate the efforts given by two groups because they are obviously going to accomplish the same work. Got it? Okay.